All right, here's a short video for problems 3 and 4 on our review. And on problem 3, we have to find the value of this question mark. Well, we got to use quite a few angle relationships to get there. So this first angle in green, we can find that angle because we know 137 here. We know the green angle and 137 create a straight line. And so we can say that this green angle must be 43 degrees because 43 plus 137 gives me 180. And that gives me a straight line there. The next thing we need to do would be then to find this red angle down here. Well, we have the triangle sum theorem to help us out there. So 43, 102, that gives me 145. 145 plus this missing angle here is going to give me the red angle. Once I have the red angle, I can find, let's see if I can grab a different color. I can find the purple angle here because the purple angle plus the red angle have to add up to be 180. Okay, and I'm purposely not putting values in there because I want to see if you can come up with these two values for red and purple. Now for problem number 4, we have complementary angles. All right, and complementary angles are two angles that add up to be complementary angles are two angles that add up to be 90. Okay, and so what I have here is 8x, that angle 8x, plus the angle 50 need to add up to be 90 degrees. And if I can solve this equation for x, I can figure out what my other angle would be, or really answer the question, which is solve for x. Okay? Hopefully this is helpful. Any other questions on the review, just let me know.